Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about Hifami sign up bonus withdrawal, how to withdraw the sign up bonus, how can you withdraw it correctly. In this video tutorial, I will walk you guys through the step by step on how you can request the sign up bonus withdrawal on Hifami. All you need to do is to calm yourself down. Watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because by the end of this video, you are going to learn how to withdraw the sign up bonus on Hifami platform. Okay? But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time or you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Sparky, and what I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates, reviews on daily basis here on my channel. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified anytime I release new update like this. Then if you enjoy video like this and you want more updates, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my Telegram group. So let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and tutorial purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of any platform before using them. So let's proceed. Now, to withdraw the sign up bonus on Hifami is kind of complicated, and that is why tutorial is needed for guideline purposes. Now, how can you do that? To do this, you can see the option of withdraw here in your dashboard. Click on it. So when you click on it, it will take you to the option of where it will show you withdraw. Now, how do you withdraw this? Look up. You will see option up here where they have diamond logo here. This up here. Click on it. Click on it. So when you click on it, it is going to bring you to this diamond portal. You can see the cashable diamonds. So this is the portal is going to bring you to. Now, when it brings you to this portal, what you are going to have here is 150, and then you will also have 200 or 250. Now, if you have already withdrawn money from this platform before, then it is not going to show you that sign up bonus. But if you are new, then that is when it is going to show you 150 or 200 or 250. Those smaller amount as for those who joined newly. So that is why it's called the sign up bonus. Now, to withdraw it, all you need to do is to tap on either 150 or 250 or 200. So any of the amount they specified for you there, from 150 to 250, then you place withdrawal for the bonus. But if you have above it, then you can easily tap on the number of your choice. So when you tap on the number of your choice, then you click on the button withdraw. So when you click on the button withdraw, it's going to bring you to the option where you now provide your account details, and then after that you submit. So this is how to withdraw the sign up bonus on Hifami. If this video helped you, don't forget to share this video. A lot of people have been asking questions, how can we withdraw this bonus? How can we withdraw it? And this is a complete guide on how it's been done. So sharing this video will really help a lot of people get to understand it better. So use the share button, share this video to friends and family, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you. I remain Sparky.